Literally, I think you could sell this to almost anybody right now. Any business owner, any social media influencer, even like anybody who does social media at all. So let's talk about the Submagic affiliate program. It's a really cool product, and I think it's a really cool affiliate program. I'm going to tell you more about it. If you don't know who I am, I'm the Nomad Brad, and I've been doing affiliate marketing for over 5 years. So first off, what is Submagic? Well, if you've been around the internet the past couple of years, you've noticed these really cool captions come up, and basically every social media content creator is getting better and better at these captions. And Alex Hormozi is the sort of one associated, Gary Vee as well, with these really cool caption styles. So recently, I actually started a short form content agency as a freelancer, and I've had to learn how to, make these for my clients and for myself. And it took quite a while, actually. It took quite a lot of effort to try multiple different strategies. But recently, I saw this program and I was blown away by how good it is without any effort. It's fully AI driven. And so I checked out the product, and also I noticed that they have an affiliate program. If you scroll down here somewhere, they have it's right up at the top, affiliate. So I signed up for their affiliate program, and I was really impressed by what they're offering. So I wanted to make a little video about it and share my experience. So first off, Submagic, I think that there's a huge opportunity right now because I am working inside the short form content niche, and it is really crazy. There's a lot of demand. Even with these automated tools, there's still not enough people supplying solutions. So everybody needs this right now, in my opinion, for their marketing, including myself. So having another option to either help fulfill, clients or for yourself to grow your business with short form content is great. So there's literally, I think you could sell this to almost anybody right now. Any business owner, any social media influencer, even like anybody who does social media at all. The ability to create these captions and make their videos more engaging and look so cool, fully automatic, is just awesome. So let's check out their pricing for a second, just so you know like what kind of commissions you're looking at as an affiliate. They have two plans, basic and pro, but then they have monthly and yearly pricing. They've got a really nicely designed funnel. Again, the product just sells itself, so I don't think you have to do a whole lot of sales. Basically, if you can just get this in front of influencers or business owners right now, a lot of people don't want to pay somebody like me to make these videos. They just want something that can crank out 20, 30 of these a day or whatever. So there's so many people. There's such a big audience for this. So multiple plans, they're billed monthly for the monthly, and the yearly is going to be a lump commission. So I think either way, you're in a good place as far as commission goes. Well, let's talk about the niche and the opportunity that I see. So obviously, we talked about the niche a little bit. It's going to be any content creators, influencers, business owners, or anyone doing social media, period, really. And I would also add podcasters too, because right now podcasters need clips of their podcast to grow on the platforms that do discovery and growth. So there's just so many. These alone, these 5 groups open up like millions and millions of potential customers. So there's tons of opportunity. And I want to show you something even more. I was checking out my new favorite trends program called Exploding Topics, which just shows a lot of different trends. And I noticed this one about UGC Creator. And this reminded me of a friend of mine, Rachel Lee. Right now, she is teaching people how to build successful businesses doing UGC content creation. And I noticed inside of Exploding Topics, which if you want to check this program out, it's sweet. You can check out a link in the description below. There's this huge growth right now, and this term is trending up. So there's a 6,300% growth in UGC Creator. And people like Rachel are very intelligently jumping on the trend and helping people figure out how to create content. And UGC stands for user generated content. So that is having users of products create content about products. And you can make pretty good money as an affiliate doing that. I have a couple friends doing that right now. And you can also get paid to do reviews. So you can build a lot of side income as that. But I just noticed that this term is trending right now. And you can see here short form content is also on the rise. So just generally, this whole thing is blowing up. And so I think there's so many opportunities to promote a program like Submagic. You can earn 30% of recurring lifetime commissions, which is pretty awesome for a product like this. As soon as I signed up, I was immediately greeted by part of their team, and they offer something that not every affiliate program offers, which I think is a very nice touch, especially if you're on social media and you plan on promoting through Instagram, YouTube, etc. Is they offer a discount code that's customized to you. So if you want to buy Submagic through my discount code, it's Nomad10 and you get a 10% discount. You can also find my affiliate link down below. So that's the Submagic affiliate program. I highly recommend you join and sign up, and I think you can happily recommend this to people. It's a great product. It's amazing. You can check out, I'll put a link at the end of this and down below to a review that I did of Submagic, so you can actually see the product in action. But yeah, it's a really cool affiliate program, and I just think there's a huge opportunity. Let me know what you think in the comments below if you have any questions, and I'm going to put a whole bunch of useful links for you to help you in your affiliate marketing journey in the description box below. And a lot of them are probably affiliate links because I too am an affiliate marketer. And I love getting commissions. So thank you very much if you decide to use those links. And if you're really serious about taking your marketing to the next level, then join my weekly group coaching and training program for marketers called Nomad Labs. Again, you can find a link in the description below the video. Hope to see you in there. Thanks for watching.